are war criminals and that their alleged evils against our country warrant their trials in military court.
The first step in addressing this in a very serious way is for us to support Senator Graham's legislation and to stop this process of saying that we can try these very dangerous people as common criminals in the United States.
Two Democrats who have signed on to Lindsey Graham's legislation to pull the funding, essentially, for any of these trials.
Right, and there's a companion bill in the House that has a handful of Democrats as well. Look, I think this I think goes to the heart of what actually came out of this hearing today. What we learned from the administration's response to this and from the hearing is that they're digging in. They think that their law enforcement first approach is going to work, and they are willing to fight for it. I think what you're seeing, though, is you're seeing that it's increasingly uncomfortable for other Democrats to back the White House on these plans. You're seeing defections on these issues in ways that I don't think is going to be helpful to the administration. And you have somebody like Dennis Blair at the end of the hearing today was asked directly, should we, if we caught Osama bin Laden, would we Mirandize him? And Blair refused to answer the question. I mean, it's an easy answer. And when they back themselves into that kind of a corner, I think you're going to see Democrats running away from the administration on this.
AB, is there a sense that the White House gathers that they're on the wrong side of the politics here?
Yeah, Steny Hoyer, the House Majority Leader, said today that they're revisiting the plan to move detainees to the facility in Thompson, Illinois, from Guantanamo Bay. And I think that's an admission that they have a real problem with the plans they've made, and I think they're going to revisit all of them. I don't know why they're still refusing to admit the trial's not going to happen in New York, but it's clear to everybody. And I think that they're revisiting all these decisions.
What we're seeing is a collapse of the Obama policy. Guantanamo, Mirandizing, and trials in a place like New York with all the constitutional protections of a civilian. These are untenable in terms of logic and national security, and they are increasingly untenable as a matter of politics, especially after Massachusetts. That's why the Democrats are retreating on this, and all the three elements of this are going to collapse in the end.